This is the only way Mr. Beast puts facecam on his videos while gaming. You can find out how you could do it too in this tutorial on iPhone or iPad with this free program called iMovie. But there is an issue that people often face. But don't worry though, we will tackle that in here as well, so stay until the end to find out. Hello, this is the Tech Girl 007 in here, and I'm here to teach you all you need to know about YouTubing, video tips and tricks, and don't forget the reviews of the latest and most affordable gadgets to help you create even better videos. So first things first, of course, like any other clever person, you'll need to have a green screen behind you. I have a link to where you can purchase one on the description box below this video, so go check it out. Then you might want to have your gaming video ready too, and let's get started. Let's open iMovie app on our iPhone or iPad, then click on create project. Thereafter click on movie, and in here just select your gaming video. First of all, press on create movie. Now let's bring in our green screen by going on to video and then selecting the file that we want. Ideally a video with our face on and a green background at the back. First click on the video and these are the options that you'll get. Click on the three dots on the right side. Now select green/blue screen. This will automatically remove the green screen from the background so that you have a transparent background. We need to now drag and expand the top layer so it's to the length of the gaming video. And in here, of course, we're trying to sync what we have been saying as we have been playing. Now, here comes the big issue. It's fine about removing the background, but we want ourselves to be on the top right or left hand side of the screen. Even picture on picture doesn't help. So let's fix this, shall we? But before giving you the solution, I want to let you know that I do have a video comparing two gaming mice that I'm sure you'll love. So get the link from the description box below and on the cards above. So back onto the problem. Now to solve this issue, we need to go onto Google and find something called green screen. We need to save that onto our photos or images, and then from there we need to come back to iMovie and bring the original video that's got ourselves in it as well as the blank green screen. Bear in mind that we don't want the blank screen to be at the top of the original video, we want it to be at the back. So, and in this case we need to select picture and picture instead of green or blue screen. Of course, now on the timeline, move the cursor right towards the left end of the timeline. So now in here we can use drag to position and obviously drag the video right towards the left side. And then where you see the plus or the zoom icon, click on it and there you can pinch the little screen and try to zoom in and out with your finger to see which part of your body you want shown. Of course, your face, right? And finally, when you're happy with it, just press on done from the left hand side of the screen and then save this to your videos. Now once again, create a new movie. Bring in your gaming video and then you want to also bring in the video that we've just saved. And of course, select green and blue screen in here. Last but not least, sometimes the top layer video volume will get down to 0, so you want to click on it and increase the volume to 100 or whatever you want. Alright then, so that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Tell me in the comments on how you found this tutorial, whether you liked it or not. I want to hear it all. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and I'll see you on another video. Take care, bye.